Dear Mother Earth, I apologize. On behalf of your 7.8 billion children, power is in the eye of the beholder, and we know not what we are wielding. Precious and finite are your resources, and yet we keep building. Higher, higher, higher. Our emissions press taut against the atmospheric ceiling. We have scarred you through overfishing, marine pollution, and ocean acidification. Time is of the essence, and we are long overdue for ecological restoration. Because if there's one road that needs paving, if there's one life that's worth saving, it is yours. I apologize for pushing you to your sixth mass extinction. Real problems require real solutions, but yours are written off as fiction. I have a dream to change the rhetoric. Let us start by switching up the diction. Perhaps it would gain a greater following if we labeled your crisis Earth's crucifixion. And so the plastic in our oceans accrue, while they claim the science isn't true, just to beat you till you're black and blue. Yet you endure with the fortitude of a mother whose love knows no boundaries, and I can no longer sleep soundly, knowing that each piece of plastic in the ocean is an underwater hearse. Let's be honest. If we valued marine life like we did humans, this would be mass genocide at its worst. We shorten their lifespans. The blood is on our hands. It's time to jump off the bandwagon. I apologize for not realizing the implications of our interconnectedness sooner. Your cries for help will no longer be ignored or dismissed as merely rumors. I am ready to pursue a happier, healthier planet and leave our youth with a habitable future. We must act now to save our Mother Earth, lest we go down in history as the ones who ruined her. I apologize for staying silent while spectating the blind leading the blind, for allowing money to choose our politicians and dictate our wrongs from our rights, for endangering your marine mammals and for causing your sea levels to rise, for watching you struggle while your own children claim climate change is a lie. Mother, I will no longer sit idly by. I promise to protect you now, instead of waiting until you die.